Welcome back to another episode of No Time to Be Hungry. Today in the Mafia kitchen, Mafia Jr. is going to show us how to make sticky rice. Actually, a sticky rice hack. This is something that you can make anywhere, right? You actually made this in our travel trailer while we were traveling around the United States.
Yeah, it's microwave.
And she's like, I'm gonna make sticky rice. I'm like, how are you gonna do that? Today she's gonna show us how to do it, and you can make this at home. And also one of the most awesome things on the entire planet. Mangkut. Mangosteen. It's mangosteen season in Thailand. And we're gonna have this with sticky rice along with mango.
So you can have that.
Well, we're just gonna have this on the side.
Oh, I thought you were gonna put it in there.
No. We're gonna have mango and sticky rice with a little bit of, what is it, a coconut syrup?
Coconut milk.
Coconut milk. Anyway, let's see how to make it. Anyway, first thing you need is some glutinous rice. We bought this at the supermarket today. There's the Mafias. Metim's gonna show us how to make the coconut milk topping for the dessert. There's a little bit of a technique to it. So we got this. The first thing you need to do is you have to soak the rice in warm water for about an hour. Once you set it in a bowl with a cover for about an hour, then we're going to stick it in the microwave. Okay, so what's the next step?
Take the water out a little bit.
A little bit of water?
Even.
Okay.
And then stick in microwave. 5 minutes.
5 minutes. Any kind of microwave?
Yeah, 5 minutes. 5 minutes.
Okay, 5 minutes and 30 seconds. One extra little push, huh? Next thing we are going to need is some coconut milk. Today's coconut milk is coming out of a container. And we're going to need a little bit of sugar.
Sugar and salt.
And also a little bit of salt.
Not
A little bit of salt first, just a couple of
ลง
shakes.
เกลือ
เค็มได้เค็ม
แม่
ได้
เทโจ๊กลงไปเนาะ
There's a bigger side to that if she wants.
น้ำตาลกี่ช้อน
ใส่ลงไป
2
ขนาดนั้น
3พอ
Almost 4 tablespoons of sugar. Look like maybe about a quarter tablespoon of salt.
มือหวาน
A little bit of a taste.
มันละลาย
Always a little bit of a
ตาล
taste.
แน่มันบดนัวยังบดไปดีเขากับทีโรดน้ำตาลนะ
After the taste, a little bit more salt.
เดี๋ยวกระจุก
Yeah, she found the other end.
อร่อยนี่จะลองชิมสูตรอเมริกาสูตรจากเท็กซัส
Yeah, you could even make this in Texas, of course.
ซื้อทุเรียนมาจากหน่วยหนึ่ง
Right now is mango season in Thailand, and let me tell you, there are mangoes everywhere, everywhere in Thailand, and they're almost. Actually, you could probably get them for free. Actually, I know you can because people keep bringing them to the house. Every day I'm eating mango.
แมงโก้ไทยแลนด์อร่อย
Let's get it out of the microwave. Very hot.
พูดแต่แบบ
Okay, we're going to give it a stir.
มีเขาดิบกับข้าว
ไปน้ำอีก
ก็อาจจะแบบมีทุกคนนะ
And we're going to put it back in the microwave for how long?
ภายในนี้
Another 5 minutes.
อันนี้มัน2 อันเอาหัวเดียวนะบ่
5 minutes and 30 seconds. It's okay, we've got a small microwave. 5 minutes later, see what it looks like. Looks hot.
น่าอีกคือแบบ amazing
It's not sticky enough, so we're going to put it back in there for a couple more minutes. Maybe 2 nati.
2-3 นาที
Maybe 2 or 3 minutes. If you're in Thailand, sticky rice is not a problem. There is a traditional way of making sticky rice. It's a really cool way of doing it. Sticky rice will last pretty much all day in this container. Now you can heat this back up with a little bit of water, stick it in the microwave too, and eat it again tomorrow, but it's everywhere in Thailand, so it's not necessary. But this particular technique in the microwave works really good, but it's like you have to eat it the same day because you can reheat it up in the microwave, but it's not the same. So the microwave is a fast way to make it if you're going to eat it fast. Sticky rice.
แม่ติ๋ม
Tastes exactly like sticky rice.
sticky rice
Okay, now the next step if you're going to make sticky rice with mango is you have to add a little bit
พอดี
of the salty, sweet
ใส่ลงไปรด
coconut milk to the rice because you want it to soak in the rice.
เอาลงไป
มาดิ้มแน่เราเอาอัน
เอาเพื่อใบลาดเนี่ยลงนี่
ให้มันสวยงาม
เ
We're saving that for the topping.
อร่อยนี่มันจะนิ่มสำหรับยืนในตู้โม่
That smells really awesome. How long? I'm hungry.
จักนาทีจังหน่อยเลย
Sip nati. Oh, I know it smells good, but we have to let it sit for about 10 minutes. Sip nati. 10 minutes. This is mangkut, mangosteen. It has a tremendous amount of antioxidants. Did I say that right? It is probably my most favorite fruit on the planet. But it's very sweet. Very good. Very awesome. I'm so happy it's mango. It's a mango, mangkut, and durian season. Aloy. Microwavable sticky rice and mango. Aloy, ma.
อร่อย
Aloy.
อร่อย
Aloy, aloy. Let's try it out. Okay, 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 okay. Okay. Why is there 3 forks?
แต่ถ้าไม่ปิ้งกันเลยสิ
I can't seem to get sticky rice and mango. It's very good. Very good. Very good. It's too good. It's enough for 3 people. Okay guys, I hope you liked today's episode of No Time to Be Hungry. I hope you guys try this recipe. If you do try this recipe, would you please share it and email it to me? Email address is in the description box. And maybe we'll share it on our next video. Anyway, we'll see you guys then on the next video. Bye.
Bye